Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find General Management. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down again to localize reset option. Let's scroll down and localize either mobile network settings or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Basically, in this device, those options are not fused, they are divided, so all you have to do is to tap on the proper option, tap on reset settings, confirm it with your pattern PIN or password, and tap on reset again. As you can see, we've got this information, and we can do the same thing with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Just tap on it, tap on reset settings. As you can see, this operation cannot be undone. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.